One of the main reasons I decided to do the bachelor's degree was to get hands-on use of the studio equipment and learn lighting techniques. I grew my skill base tremendously during the time there. And by the time I graduated, I was so confident in the use of studio equipment that I just went out, bought the cameras I needed, bought the lighting equipment I needed. I've got this little studio here in St. Kilda. Being part of that course really pushed my photography to be better. I wanted to be better. I wanted real feedback. The lecturers care, and the people there care about what you're doing. You have a question, they'll help you out. They're like a family atmosphere there because it's such a small college in comparison to doing a photography course at one of the bigger universities. I felt like everyone knew everyone looked out for everyone. It was a really nice atmosphere.